Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, and welcome to New York Metro Weather's forecast discussion for Monday, August 15th, 2011. We hope you had a great weekend. Sunday was a washout, and you're looking at some of the rain totals which were observed just in a 24-hour period on Sunday, and some of them that jump out at you immediately. Nassau County, 10 inches, over 10 inches of rain observed in 24 hours. Even the big reporting stations, the airports, Central Park 5.79, JFK 7.79, LaGuardia 6.51. JFK actually set their daily all-time record rainfall at 7.79, shattering the old record from 1983. The culprit is this storm system, which we observed earlier on Sunday back to the west over Pennsylvania. Now it has shifted to the east, forming a new surface low. You can see the surface low off or near the mid-Atlantic coast, and currently not totally organized synoptic rainfall, but over southern New England now and southeastern New York, and off the New Jersey shore, there are some areas of moderate to heavy rain. And back to the west over Baltimore, the Washington, D.C. area, there are actually flash flood warnings still in effect, as you can see the heavy rain over that area as well. The atmosphere is very, very moist as we speak. These are precipitable water values, and you can see it is really moist across almost the entire eastern United States. From the eastern Great Lakes all the way to the coast. The prolific rainfall occurring in the areas where the precipitable water is highest, so these rainfall amounts can really get tremendous, as evidenced by the 10 inches and the numerous 8-inch reports that we had, which is just you kind of lose sight of the fact about how prolific that is for this area. It's not often we see 8-inch rainfall reports throughout the area. We take a look at the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and you can see why this is all occurring. This is a very anomalous 500 millibar trough for this part of the country in this time of year. I mean, it's mid-August right now. It's not too often we see troughs like this. This was actually closed off back over Ohio earlier Sunday. And you can see the rainfall areas responding to shortwave vorticity and increased forcing within this trough, and as this trough continues to move east, the tilt of the trough really supports some continued areas of heavy rain. Where will this heavy rain be? It's hard to say, but it is fair to say that this rain will not be as widespread or severe as it was on Sunday. Some of the forecast models, and specifically this one, which is the Storm Prediction Center's WRF convective model, have a good handle on the situation. You can see that they have the real synoptic heavy rain to the east of New York City, over southern New England and up into upstate New York, with scattered heavy showers back to the west over New Jersey, and even as far west as Delaware River and eastern Pennsylvania. This seems like the most likely scenario for tomorrow. So Monday, not totally a washout, but not clear either. It looks like there's going to be still some showers and thunderstorms around to really, get in the way of whatever outdoor plans you might have. We take a look at the infrared satellite animation. You can see the whole storm from earlier today to where we are right now, and this is a big storm, folks. For August, this is very anomalous, as we said earlier, and you can see that the storm still has a good amount left to offer for our area, despite you may be thinking enough is enough already, but the storm still has some showers, thunderstorms, and potential to be a hassle through Monday. So your Monday forecast in a nutshell looks like mostly cloudy, potential for showers and thunderstorms. Storms could offer some very heavy rain and quick flooding. Please, again, pay attention to the National Weather Service's flood watches, warnings, advisories, whatever it may be, and heed the advice to stay out of flooded roads. Actually, today driving, I saw someone drive into a huge puddle. Their car was stuck. It was just a bad situation. You don't want to get yourself in that situation. Flooding is dangerous, and these types of systems can really surprise. When the rain starts getting heavy, the roads can flood very quickly. Don't put your life at risk. So again, highs in the 70s again on Monday, mostly cloudy, possibly some breaks of sun, but showers and storms are still around. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter at NYMetroWX. Send us your storm reports, your your observations, your rainfall totals, whatever it may be. We really love interacting with you guys, and we thank you for being there with us to talk with us and to let us know what's going on your side of town. Have a great Monday, and we'll see you guys later in the week.